Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and our pool got closed up today. Kind of sad.
It
Get that
is.
in there, honey.
It is very sad.
Get that in there. Even if we're not using the pool or swimming in it, I'd love to look at it and listen to it run.
Yeah, it's a little depressing.
Yeah, that means that fall's about here, summer's over. I wear shorts till probably next year's, just because I have nice legs, right?
Yes, you do.
Yeah. So, but what today we're going to try different things to take the FU with 2 exclamation points off of the tractor seat. Even though the tractor seat is kind of ratty, but it's still good. Because to replace that seat aftermarket is probably, hey, $500, $600. So I think that was kind of tragic that somebody wanted to write on that and, ruin our shit. So
I don't know if tragic is the word. Huh?
Tragic that is tragic to me.
Okay.
Because my fat ass sits in that seat, even though I don't sit on the cracks, because sometimes they pinch you like that and pinch your butt cheeks. So, hon, I'm feeling kind of like a stuffed sausage right now for the pasta we just ate.
Okay. So you're going to try rubbing alcohol first?
That's I think what you want to try.
Well, only
this
because
is not part of the test. This is mine. This is a Cape May IPA.
We actually, I want to say, rubbing alcohol usually takes off a lot of things, and I think rubbing alcohol is one of the things that takes off temporary tattoos.
You ever clean your ears with alcohol, or do you use hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Really? Okay, here's the first test on the exclamation points. A little bit of vigorous rub, and not really doing much, taking a little of the top layer off.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, so much for that one.
I know. I got trusty at the end, WD-40, water displacement 40, because that was the 40th attempt that NASA did to make this shit. So that's why it's called WD-40.
Really?
Useless knowledge that's in this big old head.
Did you make that up? Or
No, it's real crap.
Okay.
Stuff I learned in my...
and this is nail polish remover.
Does it come out purple? Because it looks like it.
Oh, it's got a purple tint to it. Yeah, it's because it's lavender scented. Well, it takes nail polish off.
Oh, it's like huffing and shit.
Nothing?
No, I got less with alcohol.
Oh, you're getting a little bit of red.
I think it's dirt. That's not that. Let's try on. Yeah, see, hardly anything. I think it evaporates quicker.
Well,
and then you came up with this idea, right? Baby oil?
Well, I wasn't sure. Baby oil, they use that sometimes take off makeup, and use it for taking off temporary tattoos.
It's a good lubricant.
So, I don't know. It's worth a try.
It's a try. I can't even lube up the New Holland thing there. Look. Now, is this going to leave a layer on here so, you know what I mean? You know how you put oil over things and grease pans and shit?
WD-40 Okay, and this is the one that you really think is going to work.
Yeah, because we used to use these WD-40 and 2+2 to take like graffiti spray paint off of road signs. Same concept, right?
Yeah, although, well, see, you're spraying this directly on.
Don't even question it, what I'm doing.
Excuse me?
Don't. It ain't doing shit!
All right.
Nothing, hardly at all.
Okay,
more dirt than everything.
I have one other idea.
What's that?
So let's just hold the phone on that, and I will be right back.
Why would we hold the phone?
That's an expression.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Terry has an idea. These are markers from her dry erase board, and she's saying, and correct me if I'm wrong, honey, what are they, magnets? That's pretty neat.
Well, they hang on my board, my whiteboard.
Right.
But the only reason why I'm suggesting this is because I use them to take writing off of a poster.
Okay.
So, of a magic marker. It was a magic marker on a poster, and that took them off.
So I don't see an eraser aspect of this. So what am I supposed to do?
So you're supposed to just like make a little mark, like on that F. Use the blue one. Make a little mark on that F.
Okay.
And get your paper towel.
Okay, I'm right there. Look. Okay, little mark.
Get the paper towel and see if it'll come off.
Okay. No, I think
a little bit.
A little of the blue came off, right?
Well, I don't know. Wait a minute.
Stay in the lines like
You're
they
not
used to
push-
teach
You're
you
not
in...
pushing it real hard, are you?
No, I don't think I am. Just like in
Okay,
kindergarten.
now start taking it off before it dries.
Okay, oh, there's a lot of pressure here. I think your camera's getting bouncing around, honey. A little bit,
does look like
maybe.
it's fading,
A little
doesn't
bit,
it?
yeah. I think we have 2 or 3 hours to do this.
Huh?
That's what it's going to take.
Well, I
There.
wonder, how about maybe a Mr. Clean white
Mr.
eraser?
Clean eraser may work. Now that took a
You know
little
what?
bit more.
Try the red. I want to see if how the red does on the
Red rum.
exclamation
Red
point.
rum.
Well, don't make it bigger.
Why not? Who cares? It's
Because
already
what
messed
if
up.
Because we don't know that for sure that it's going to work.
No. Well, that was from the alcohol. It really didn't do anything.
Well,
Little
maybe
bit.
can you use?
You want to do it so
fingernail?
bad, don't you?
'Cause
Oh,
you know
use your
this-
fingernail. What?
Well,
I've bit
this-
every darn fingernail I've had off.
I was just thinking, it is a porous material.
Yeah, so am I. There. Look, we're going to do a clean spot. Ready? This is the clean spot. Just what we put on there came off. All right? It's a good try, good idea.
Well,
We've
then
had
we're going
good
back to the
attempts.
drawing board.
The proverbial drawing board, and I don't know why they say that anymore, because most people go onto their computer to look for this stuff, not their drawing board. So, are we ready for the other?
Yes, I have everything out on the counter,
Okay.
and let's go get that package prepared.
Sounds good. In kindergarten, I got an S for penmanship and for cutting within the lines. I sort of didn't get it for the crayons staying the line, but the cutting I did. I got an S, which is satisfactory back in the day. Unsatisfactory, I got for Jim.
For Jim?
I got it for Jim because back in the day, I was a bigger kid than most. I got my height early in life, and I had a very good arm. So when we used to goof around with a play dodgeball, I was out for blood in kindergarten. So I got an unsatisfactory in it. So just to let you know, little history about Jeffrey. So look, that was a perfect cut around his head, right?
And that looks good.
See,
Yeah.
that looks good. So we place it a little.
I would actually put it on the back of that, if you can. And I hope it sticks well.
Yeah.
Because if not, then I could always get a needle and thread and.
Elmer's glue. Where did I live? Elmer. That's so neat. I don't think Elmer's glue had a smell though. No, it didn't. Not like airplane glue and.
Is it sticking?
Yeah, I'm leaving smudges everywhere though.
That's all right.
So it's sticking. And we're going to hood it up anyway, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do that. Leave it like that. We'll put the little Amish hood, or what was it? Little House on the Prairie. What was the little
Yeah,
House
but
on
you
the
know
Prairie?
what? Just keep it all out like that, so
right.
it looks more like a hooded cloak kind of thing, you know?
Right. So I don't want to tighten this too much.
Maybe I should get over on the other side of you, huh?
Good. I mean, I don't know bow it, because bowing.
You gonna put a bow on it?
No, I'm not. I'm saying I'm going to put it.
Oh.
I wasn't going to. Now look at that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't that awesome? That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
So then we're going to put.
Well, no, we gotta put pins in them.
No, not yet. Remember we said we were going to say if you don't stop your shit, the pins come later. We weren't going to stick it in
But
them.
we don't have another doll.
We got other stuff we can use. All right, we'll stick a couple. We'll stick a couple pins in. Like what? What do you think? What's a safe spot, just in case the spirits are working or not working? Knees.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want it to be, you believe in these?
No, God no.
You think he's gonna believe in it?
Well, that's what I'm hoping.
What are you gonna put it, you're putting it in his knees?
Boom. Look, both knees. Now let's do one knee. So then
Well,
the
put them in good because they have to stay in there.
They'll stay in there. So look,
You said that with a growl.
There, we're gonna put like 4
He's
in there.
scary, isn't he, Johnny? Isn't he scary?
Okay, we've got 4 needles in his left knee. Got it?
Okay.
So if he
And
comes up,
and it's in a shape of something?
No.
A 7? Oh, no.
it's just thrown in there. Okay, so we're gonna place that in there.
Well, wait a minute. Don't you think we should wrap it up?
With
So
what?
he doesn't see it like as soon as he opens it?
Okay,
It's
this will
gonna-
be over it.
Hon, it's going to move around.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm afraid something's gonna.
You're afraid what?
That I'm gonna, if by wrapping it up, because at least.
Well, you don't want it to move. How about
Right.
you let me take care of that?
Right, and you're the packaging queen, so, because you've done that for years doing, with the stuff. So I figure if he has any inkling of a spiritual or a religious or of
I don't think voodoo
anything-
is religious, Jeff.
what?
I don't think voodoo is religious.
It is a form of religion.
It is not.
The hell
it's
it is.
black magic.
It's still part of a religion, religious people, religion of sorts.
All right, we got to
Black
look it
magic,
up,
right?
Because I think we disagree on this.
If you go down to the southern, countries and stuff that practice voodoo, that's their religion, right?
No.
Witchcraft.
I never heard of
whatever.
that being a religion.
Oh heck yeah! So if Joe has any of that in him in his back of his mind, he's gonna, first thing he's gonna do, come up lame. You watch it, and we'll get blamed. We're not going, because we're never gonna own up to this one. All right.
Okay. This is what I usually do when I drop off the fan mail. I usually take it out back to the lounge. I can't take the camera back there because I wonder why I'm filming this. But this is the package right here. And this is another one he had gotten today. So I'm going to deliver the package.
Hello.
Hello. The package has been delivered.
Wahoo! That's the what we want to hear. Good. Any issues?
No issues at all.
Good.
He actually got another package, so I was able to deliver both of them to him. And so we shall see.
All right. Sounds good.